Ever wonder why some people on a keto diet seem to have more energy, focus, and mental clarity than others? Today, I'm diving into the power of creatine, why it's a game changer for carnivore keto dieters like me. While I follow a strict carnivore keto lifestyle, creatine stands out as a cornerstone of my routine. This naturally occurring compound, found in animal-based foods, enhances physical energy, boosts cognitive function, and supports muscle maintenance, critical for someone aiming for 175 grams of protein daily. Let's break down my morning ritual. A precise mix of 10 grams of creatine monohydrate, Himalayan pink salt, and 14 cups of water. This isn't just about hydration, it's about optimizing every aspect of my health, from gym performance to brain power. Let's get started. My breakfast is a cornerstone of my keto routine, designed to prioritize hydration, electrolytes, and cognitive support. I start with a powerful mix: 10 grams of creatine monohydrate powder, split into 2 servings, 8 servings of Himalayan pink salt, and 14 cups of water. Creatine isn't just for physical energy, it boosts mental clarity, focus, and memory, giving me that mental edge. Himalayan pink salt delivers electrolytes like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which support hydration and muscle function. On keto, where electrolyte imbalances can cause fatigue or cramps, this ritual is essential. By combining all my morning essentials into one drink, I streamline my routine and ensure I hit daily targets for hydration, electrolytes, and cognitive support, setting the tone for a productive day. As the day progresses, lunch is all about protein, with a focus on keto-friendly choices. I opted for 10 small chicken wings, low-carb, high-fat, and rich in protein. The skin adds healthy fats, aligning with keto's high-fat requirements, while the meat provides essential protein. I used low-carb seasonings and sauces to stay in line with keto guidelines. Alongside the wings, I had 3 servings of alfresco eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source, offering all 9 essential amino acids and provide healthy fats for ketosis. They're packed with vitamins A, D, E, B12, selenium, and choline for brain health. Hard-boiled eggs are convenient for meal prepping. This combination of chicken wings and eggs ensured a high-protein, high-fat, low-carb meal that kept me energized and in ketosis throughout the day. For dinner, I went big with 4 servings of pasture-raised sea-salted butter and 4 servings of ribeye steak. The ribeye's marbling makes it exceptionally keto-friendly, delivering rich flavor and healthy fats. Paired with pasture-raised sea-salted butter, which is rich in saturated fats and electrolytes, this combination is nutrient-dense and satisfying. Grass-fed butter offers higher omega-3s, CLA, and fat-soluble vitamins, further supporting ketosis. This meal kept me full and satisfied well into the evening. That's a wrap on my day as a carnivore/keto dieter. Let me know in the comments what you think of my meals, or if you'd like tips on staying on track with this lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates. Until next time, stay keto.